What is up, mga kalisik? Good morning, good morning. Tayo ngayon ay nakasakay sa isang big bike which is a ZX4RR. It's an inline 400cc big bike, and it's a Kawasaki bike. So we got a chance to use and try the bike for the first time. So using a sports bike or ang paggamit natin ng sports bike ay hindi na ganun kabago sa atin since ang daily use natin ng motor is R50, which is pasok sa kategory ng sports bike but not a big bike. For this CX4RR, beginner bike kumbaga. When you are entering the big bike world, so most of the bikers, not all, usually first try 400 cc's before they jump into a much higher, mas mataas na cc. So tayo were lucky enough to have the chance to drive a bike like this and experience it firsthand. You are really an enthusiast. You would really appreciate the sound of ang inline 4 ng motor. Like this one. Let's ride natin siya today. And let's see let's have our first impressions of bike. But in terms of using it in traffic, hindi siya ganun kahirap i-maneuver kasi hindi siya ganun kabigat. And as I have mentioned earlier, isa to talaga sa mga sought after ng mga beginners ng big bike. So they would get the feel kung paano magdala ng mga higher cc ng motor. And this is my first time ever using a 400cc sports bike. Ay nagkaroon na rin naman tayo ng experience for a higher cc, which is the MT450 ng CF Moto. However, it's have a different ergonomics, riding style because yun ay isang adventure bike. So yung body position mo, ibang-iba. The power itself na binibigay ng motor, 450 MT ng CF Moto. The power is there, Ito syempre, it's a 400cc. But ibang-iba ang bigay ng power ng isang ZX4RR na inline 4. Especially it's a sports bike. And speaking of sports bike, ang gamit natin is daily use natin is ang sports bike ng R50, which is only 155cc. Unlike this one, it's a 400cc, a beginner big bike. So, a big shout out to owner ng bike na gamit natin ngayon, which is Jaquetero Trucking and Big Bike Rentals. Naghahanap kayo ng mga rentals ng big bike. They have a variety of motors that you can choose from. And, at a very, very low price. Chance and they gave us a chance and lent this motor to us. So, para ma-experience ko, or ma-experience natin itong motor na to. Isa sa mga key features ng ZX4RR ay meron na itong quick shift, which is pwede kang magdagdag ng gear without using the clutch, and auto blip, which is the same. Kaso is pagbabawas ng without using a clutch, and it will activate at a certain RPM. And kung hindi tayo nagkakamali, na-activate ito is 4,000 RPM pataas. So, pag yung RPM natin is tumaas ng 4,000, pwede na natin gagawin yung flip kagaya nito. Quick shift. Makapagdagdag tayo ng gear and bawas. So cool. Wow. Nakakawala ng pagod. Kaya ang sarap magmotor eh. Can go to places. Hey.